Good morning, friends, family, and people. I'm back. I woke up this morning feeling really fresh, really motivated. As you can see, I'm still in my PJs and I just couldn't wait to tell you guys what I wanted to do today. So I haven't done a cooking video in so long. I did the French toast video. I know what I'm cooking. I'm baking today, so it's a little different. I'll be baking something. I always look on Pinterest and I'm like, I need to bake something. I want to bake something. I'm gonna bake today. So exciting! I need to do a couple things before baking. I clean my room. I need to shower. Oh, I need to buy groceries. What else do I need to do? Actually, I need to figure out what I'm baking. Enriching taste buds. Here we go. These are the things that I've saved. Oh my god, that one looks good. Oh, these look so good. What am I gonna do with my life? I have so many options. Hold up. Oh, here it is. It is passion fruit. What? So I've decided to do this today. I really want to experiment with some peach. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go out. That's me. I am going to Bankstown. Gonna get some groceries and baking stuff. And the main important thing is I need a cheesecake tray. I only have round and rectangle baking trays, but I don't have the cheesecake tray. After that, I think I might grab some breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast yet. And yeah, blah, 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 blah. I'm talking too much. My phone is about to die. Promise you guys that I will film as much as I can when I come back and I'm making the cheesecake, okay? Hey guys, back again, back at home. I got a little carried away with shopping again, as always. Shopping is my forte. I love to shop. So let me go through the ingredients. I've got 250 grams of mascarpone, so that's 500 grams. Some ricotta cheesecake, 375 grams. Rose water, watch fingers, and we're gonna melt some butter. Add it to that. Got some pistachios and some dark chocolate. Like I thought dark chocolate would taste really nice with the peaches and the pistachio and the cheese. I've just got a bunch of flowers. These flowers are for garnishing as well. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I'll see how I feel. I have 500 grams of soft icing sugar for the cream for over here. Couldn't find a rectangle baking tray, so I'm gonna have to use a circular one. And this one's so cool because look, you can pop the bottom out and it'll be way easier to serve. Okay guys, let's get started. How cool is this thing? So I have all these steps here, which I will show you in about now. Here we go. This is just an outline of what I've written. Step 1, make tart biscuit. Step 2, make cream cheese mixture. Step 3, caramelize the peaches. Step 4, make it look fab. Make it look fab. Decorate it, make it look fancy and pretty. Step 5 is to eat it. Smiley face XO. I can't wait to finish this whole thing. So let's get started on making the tart biscuit. Okay guys, let's finally get started. First thing you want to do is put these scotch fingers into, if you have one of those crushing machines then great, but if you don't then this is gonna have to do. Okay, so I'm putting the scotch fingers into a bag like this. I think I need the second one as well. Oh. Okay, and then I'm gonna double bag it and crush it with this thing. Okay, twist it like that and just wrap it in a towel. Sometimes the bag breaks, but you just gotta keep smashing it like this until it's like really fine and crusty. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and we have a bag of crumbs here. It literally only took like 2 minutes to smash. And we're gonna put it into a big mixing bowl. As you can see, some of them are still quite big. Some of them are big and small, but I don't think that really matters. So the next thing you want to do is just add some melted butter with it. You know what, actually I think I might just mash it a bit more. I know this is very bootleg, but this is the best thing about like baking and cooking. You know, even if you don't have all the equipment, just like me, you can still do it at home. Like, you don't need fancy machines, right? It's just whatever works for you at home. Obviously, if you have those fancy machines, it'll make your life a lot easier. Oh. Okay, I think that's done. So this is 500 grams. So I'm gonna put in 200 grams of butter. I might need more. Give it 300 grams of butter. Okay, I'm just gonna melt this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the melted butter. So that's approximately 300 grams of melted butter. I'm just gonna keep mixing it a bit more, and then once that's all melted and smooth, I'm going to pour it into the Scotch finger batter and use some gloves to mold it all together. This pan is 24 centimeter, so it's 24 centimeter. I think this is a little extra. Oh shit. I think it's a little extra, but that's okay. It's better to have extra than less, right? I'm just gonna pour it all in. I'm gonna mix it together. Okay, so I had to change angles because that side was way too dark for me. I've got my pan ready, as symmetrical as I can in the middle. Grab a bit of our mixture, press it down, spread it evenly. It's very important to make sure that the thickness of the pan is even. I'm trying my best to be gentle with it. Oh, my brother's here.
Oh, hi.
That's my brother, Kevin. That's Aaron. Did you guys just come home from what? Line dancing? Netflix? Why don't you watch it in my room? Why not? Just use my laptop then.
Don't break it.
Because it's important to me. Okay guys, I'm done with my crust. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge while I make my cream cheese. Step 1 is done. Okay, time for step 2. Step 2, we need some, whoopsie, is ricotta cheese, some mascarpone cream. I did bring extra backup mascarpone. This is way enough, way enough. Sugar, some rose water. You also need a blender. I don't know. Is this a blender? I don't know. The mixy whiskey thing. If you have this, then it'll be like much better because you don't want to work out your hands too much, and it'll be a lot more consistent and smooth. 250 grams of mascarpone in first. Also, you need a large mixing bowl. I didn't have any more large mixing bowls because they were all used. So I just used just like a pot. Anything will do. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be like the top quality pan or top quality baking tray. Whatever, you know, cooking makes you feel at home and baking makes you feel at home. And as long as you're happy, it doesn't matter about the fanciest equipment or anything. We're just cooking, okay? Cooking should be simple. Smells good. This is 375 grams. I think I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. That is plenty. Chocolate is out. So clumsy. Okay, we need it fairly sweet. I'm just gonna do 1 cup of icing sugar. All together with the whiskey. I hope I don't knock over anything. Got the rose water here. I found this at like the Lebanese grocery store. Oh, it smells so good. I can't really taste the rose water. Give it another 30. So that was 50 mils of water. Oh my god, so good! Perfect consistency. That's perfect. It's more like a cream than anything. You can taste the cheese. It's pretty subtle, but... Oh no! I always flick things around. Always flicking things around. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to set. Now I'm going to caramelize some peaches and then chop some pistachios. Just a handful of peaches. We can eat the rest. And we can have some jagged edges, just like these diamond ones here. So I'm just lightly sauteing the peaches, adding a tiny bit of sugar so it caramelizes. Now that my peaches are caramelized and waiting to cool down and set, I can bring out my cheesecake again. Oh, I'm so nervous about decorating this, but let's give it a go. Okay guys, it's finally the last step of the cheesecake. We have our cheesecake here. Flowers, cheese grater for our dark chocolate, pistachio, peaches. So let's put it all together. I don't know where to start. Put some. It's meant to be that nice, like jagged look, you know, like it doesn't have to look pretty. Okay guys, I'm finally finished. What do you think? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It looks like a complete garden, like a beautiful pistachio garden. Oh my god! I'm so happy with the result. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and comment and say your opinions and tell your feedbacks and all that good stuff. So if you guys try to make this at home, please like tag me or something. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Gangland, say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to you like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in? In the city, let my